When I ride Queenie in the sun, I sit down in the sun and I ride Queenie. I'm ride Queenie in the sun, I wish I was to come and sit because my daughter just come in front of me. I said, Mom, you're doing well. I'm just start laughing. I said, whoa, I wish I name. But should I write in the sun first? You see that? So I'm a counteract what I do because I ride Queenie in the sun. Shut up, narrator. Why the radio not turning down? Shut up, man. I ride Queenie in the sun. So I'm ride Queenie in the sun now, you know. Rachel Mr. come and just say, Mom, you're doing well. And my first instinct, morning, my first thing, Mr. Oh God, Rachel, I should have write in the sun. I'm eat one mountain. I'm going to cough, sit down in the sun. I'm going to cough. Take my finger and try and make that something when I used to make. When I saw Rachel make for me. Sometimes I don't even remember how to do it. Yeah. So I'm going to place this on the sun. Engrave it and write Roro. And it's so beautiful just to sit on there, a whole of peace and a vibe with my daughter. Just the fact that I write my name in the sun. I don't remember Rachel. All of the elements in the yellow shots I did. I just write Queenie. Because I'm Queenie there. But then I just Rachel. And not even see me see her. What mother said that was Vision. Me just Vision come and she said, Mommy, you do well. I said, Mama Clara Rachel, we should have write it at the sun. So life is not all I want to think. I want to get up every day and type about people. There are sentimental things. Sentimental moments. Every dog have them there, baby. And I understand the official girl big up on herself. Big up on, yeah, baby. One minute. Because you can't hear it from the sound is hollow. Yeah, man, because we use sound for workout things as well. I realize. I got a girl at the back. Yeah. Alright, you see the joint in here. Let me show you next part. This. Here. Do you remember just so? We want to clip back? That is the next thing. That I have to clip back. And there was something inside, but I'm going to give them a view. Do it. Go and show them, yeah? Oh, do it this as well. Yeah, and then remember the front one. Tell them about the front one. May I come? Can remember me up on the live. You go and do it. Yeah, right, crazies. So, you see, Mother Nature and some things are priceless. Where nobody can get that feeling and that sensation. As I said to you earlier on, all Mother Nature, why am I up on live, we don't know. Because at the morning, at the nice breeze, I feel and I see the tree them a blow. And I say, oh my God, this nice thing, I go live for Mariah Crazies them. And along the way, it's just freestyle, no plans. But that's what caused me here. Mother Nature, the sun. But then I spread love with my daughter last night and I just feel peaceful. I come to Jamaica for be peaceful. And God grant me to and I say, Mommy, go and go find peace. And that word is so valuable to me. Big up Nastasia. You understand me? Shouldn't be if me I can't really and eat. Who are you? Where you lot come from? Just live and be loved, man. Alright, I'm going to the nice view. See? Nice yet, innit? Them things that I'm telling about. Life, nice, you have to make the best of life. Life can never be perfect. That is the next thing. Life can never ever be perfect. For me, nor you. When you have loved ones, you have to make sacrifices. You have to join lines, commitment, priority. All of them things that come with loved ones. It's not just easy, sir. So someone at the moment when you see me dropping at the dirt, you know, want to disown me. You know, easy for disown me. Me can't disown myself no matter what, and I will never. Someone to disown on own a friggin' self. It really sickly. So it comes from within. No fun no love on yourself, no love up on yourself. So when somebody no love on and disrespect you, no can't cope. You see the way me love my blood clot. If anybody who don't want to love me, I want diss me. That's a for them blood clot burden, not mine. You understand? Me can't take the world on my head. So much drop on my head when me never ask her. You understand? So me have that to deal with. So whatever is there, what else to lift up? Me now lift it up, man. I love the atmosphere, I love the atmosphere. So never back this feel that I see. Now my voice is on the whole atlas. Them a chat me nice na bomber blood clot. I can transform in many ways, many different angles, many styles, many days, many lays. Let them get it in a tree top, pick up your blood. Make me hold your hand, girl. Nice view, yeah, beautiful. You see the mountains, that's the hill there. None of blood clot and I can't do me nothing. No go. When I send some little side pussy clot shot. I'm telling me, hot girl, you know. Me the top girl, never a flat girl. The fucking shot me each up. Wait. What do I want to say again? The yacht? I'm not going to stay alive with it. I have business to do, yeah? All the things I'm doing in life. One, me. I'm accomplish my mission then. Yeah. It's a business, woman. So no matter what storm I blow, the ball have to run. You understand me? Yeah. We're born once, we live once, and we're dead once. Work it out. Make the best of it. People are dropped down dead. One man them saying get phone call and from them get the phone call in dead. People go up on toilet dead. So now me there you're alive and kicking it looking nice. Getting the but I thought nice, see? All this me can't keep down at Jamaica in a hot. You have to tie it up. Do some bomb flick with it. Cock up with that 10 summer sauce. Dash it, that's a fling it, that's a Jesus Christ. It come like it's a steamer you have for your head. Jamaica hot differently, man. Some wake up this morning and see that nice overcast, the sky overcast. And the way I show my whisper rain there. Rain the out in the sea. Then I say rain the center mass. Watch out, Mr. Dewey, weather man. My husband ran for read the weather and tell me, you know. Yes, so it's all just natural energy. Nice. The atmosphere of Jamaica is good. The yachts. All who want to see a yacht, look. That's yachts right there. Yeah. Ha ha. Jamaica flag. But not lie. A two party keep last night, you know, one at Sugarman Beach and one at Fort Claudette. Trust me. Girl, them support the queen, trust me. Me and them queen. You see Jamaica, whoa, pussy blood clot. Me say I could get to $1 million trailer money and just come and just flow it, so everybody I catch blood clot money. But me do not got. But it's a good wish because it's easier said than done in it. But the girl in Jamaica, man, it's when ghetto people support you. Telling her this. You see them get to the way, you see me run over and go hug them up and they say, Queenie! And they must, But clot, me run down the whole of them, I embrace them. Down to blood clot hurt. I'll jump on the sidewalk and whole reason with them. Move on your bumper, pussy blood clot. Get a slick slash. Queenie. This like what the man do as well. That's a easy something though. And the grill, you know the grill have the liquor car grill like this do it. Yeah. You know the fit? Yeah, that it was clip in the grill like that, yeah.
Underneath the running board.
Yeah. This every 660 take tire, but the car have the tire them long. That's weird. Or maybe through this big. Maybe through it heavy. It named the tire them wicked. Cause these not reach 6 weeks yet and them have baby tire already. And it have baby. Pardon? I dare this one will buy.
Them said this.
Yeah, I would them tell me buy now, because the man said that.
Them thinner and this more.
Yeah. So these one cover the rims more.
I don't know if I got control
This one. What the one there with the baby? Yeah, see, it's have the baby already.
I don't know about 6 weeks.
No.
Yo, let
me tell you, so you buy tire, buy promo. Buy the promo, bro. See me? That we cover, you know, buy the same size.
what's the style of it?
Which part that?
That can fiberglass.
Or it can change.
Well, if I can get it to change.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to do a take you out on fiberglass.
What, this?
Yeah,
Whole completely.
Right, that's it.
But it's like a crack back.
See them here? It easily crystallizes.
Yeah, because the sun.
Yeah.
This, you're right. The sun said crack them. Give me the phone.
The type of material.
Yours, yeah.
Type of material that they use. Every vehicle they use crystal.
No, I don't want to pull. Yeah, show me on this something. I'm not like Ryan crazies. I live down here. I'm glad we did buy Jamaica. No, Jamaica relaxing and peaceful. I don't nobody telling about no violence. If you don't get mixed up in nothing, not a soul not doing nothing. The people that more for honor and the true Jamaica people that loving, you know. I say, if them not in honor, them not in honor, them must stay one side and watch. But me I tell you, Jamaica nice. The atmosphere, you know, nice. Hey, rich little island, you know. You see the artist business, the entertaining world where me in, and I meet some people, right, crazy. Sex one. I won't not talk about sex one. I meet some high class people, some rich aristocrat people, some rich people. Hi Queenie, we love you too. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Love you too, baby. Yeah, man. And the people that I'm loving me, I tell you, other than when we get cantankerous, but other than that, Jamaica people nice and full of vibes and full of energy. But I would say them lack of love. Them loving, but them lack a love, like to embrace each other more instead of, you know, pussy, we gonna suck your mother dead, you for dead, we gonna kill your body boy, and them get dark for the least of things. So, you know, just go and get a little motivational speech. Show them some love. Me I tell you, nice people them, man. I love my people them. And me I tell you, it's the way how them love me. Bobo Clark, I say, hear me the fuck out the truth.